Welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most comfortable and refined touring motorcycles from Honda, the Honda NT1100 2026. This bike is built for riders who love long-distance touring, smooth performance, and stress-free riding. Let's start with the design. The Honda NT1100 2026 features a clean and modern sport touring design. The full front fairing, integrated LED headlamp, and tall adjustable windscreen give it a premium and aerodynamic look. Unlike aggressive adventure bikes, the NT1100 focuses on smooth lines and comfort-oriented styling. From the side profile, the bike looks balanced and elegant. The wide seat, upright handlebars, and well-designed body panels clearly show that this motorcycle is meant for covering long distances with ease. Now let's talk about performance. The Honda NT1100 2026 is powered by a smooth and refined parallel twin engine. Power delivery is linear and relaxed, making the bike perfect for highway cruising and city riding alike. Acceleration feels smooth rather than aggressive, which helps reduce fatigue during long journeys. The engine is tuned for comfort and efficiency. Whether you're riding at steady highway speeds or moving through traffic, the NT1100 feels calm, stable, and predictable. Comfort is the biggest strength of the NT1100. The upright riding posture keeps your back relaxed, while the wide and well-cushioned seat offers excellent support for long rides. The adjustable windscreen provides strong wind protection, allowing riders to travel long distances without feeling tired. The suspension setup is soft and comfortable. It absorbs road imperfections smoothly, keeping the ride plush even on rough roads. This makes the NT1100 ideal for touring across different road conditions. Handling is surprisingly easy. Despite being a touring motorcycle, the NT1100 feels well balanced and manageable. Low-speed riding is smooth, and high-speed stability is excellent. Cornering feels confident, especially on highways and open roads. In terms of features, the Honda NT1100 2026 comes loaded with modern technology. The large TFT digital display shows navigation, ride information, and essential data clearly. Safety features like ABS and riding modes help improve control and confidence in different riding situations. Build quality is exactly what you expect from Honda. Everything feels solid, well-finished, and durable. From the switchgear to the body panels, the bike feels premium and reliable. Overall, the Honda NT1100 2026 is a perfect motorcycle for riders who want comfort-focused touring without unnecessary complexity. It offers smooth performance, excellent comfort, advanced features, and Honda's trusted reliability. If you enjoy videos about touring motorcycles, long-distance bikes, and upcoming bikes 2026, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.